Hey friends, I just wanted to come to you and show you real quick how to use some of the tools in Google Docs when you're typing your letter today. I thought that might make it easier for you. As soon as you open your Google Doc, at the top, please rename where it says Reader's Notebook and add your name. So for example, Elizabeth's Reader's Notebook. So when we're opening it, I can see whose I'm opening before I go all the way down to read your name at the bottom. Then what I'd like for you to do is put your cursor is going to start off on this side of the page. To move it all the way over to do the date, I go right up here to these little lines and tell it to write a line. So when I click it, notice my cursor jumps over to the other page. August 31st, 2020. I then hit the enter button and I go to the next line. Well, that's great, but I don't want to type on this side anymore. So I just click left align. Okay? Now I'm back at the other side and I can do my greeting. Dear Dr. Hasty, comma, hit the enter button. I'm going to hit it one more time because I like to have some spaces here. All right, and then I asked you earlier to indent. The easy way of indenting is to hit the tab button. So the tab button is on the left side of your keyboard towards the top, and I hit tab one time, and there it is. It's indented for me. So then I'm going to begin typing the letter that we wrote together today. You do not obviously have to type this because I'm typing it for you, but when you get ready to type your response, your reader's notebook for today, you'll need to follow these same steps. So that's why I wanted to show you. I read chapter 1. What's cooking? From. To underline my text, right here, you see where it's blue now? This is going to underline the next words I type. Hats off to the president. And then I just click it again so that nothing else after that is underlined. This book is realistic fiction story, period. Is, oh, looky there, my squiggly lines, right click. Yes, book is a realistic fiction story. I left out that word. This chapter made me laugh because the cooks were always fussing with each other, period. Okay, I hit the enter button to go to the next line. I'm going to now tab over because it's a new paragraph, it's a new set of thoughts. I went from telling you about the book and how it made me feel to a character in the book. So I'm going to make a new paragraph. I really liked the character Daisy. She reminds me of myself. We both love to help others, exclamation mark. And then I see blue squiggly lines that lets me know I made a typo. Oops, go back. And there it is. I want to change it to help. Okay, I'm going to enter twice to give myself some space between the paragraph and my closing. Again, my closing should be on the right corner, so I'm going to write a line. Love, no, I put your student. Your student Brooke, or whatever your name is, obviously. And then you're finished, friends. And I can open it and I can see that you've done it. It's no problem.